Hey guys, Lucas Creations here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to create a logo with a couple super simple ways. So let's get right into it. So number one would be to use ChatGPT to generate a prompt and then move it into a different AI software. Let me show you. So I'm going to write a quick prompt. So all you have to do is write me a prompt for AI to create me a logo for my clothing brand, Be Optimistic. Or you could write it for whatever you're using it for. And then you read the prompt that it gives you, make sure it's right, make sure it's what you want, which is perfect for me. You copy it, you bring it into Microsoft Copilot, you paste it, and you give it a moment. And here you are. And if you don't like it, you could just change a couple words, input something different into ChatGPT, and that's all you do. And as simple as that is, it is AI generated. So let me know if you guys want to see a Photopea logo tutorial or Canva tutorial. Just let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.